Hi everyone, so I was just stepping out for a brunch with all my girls and I thought let me take you through my summer skincare routine with my favorite vitamin C range from Garnier. As you all know that summers have entered and we absolutely need to have a new routine for summer. I am anyway obsessed with skincare and I think everybody should incorporate good skincare into their routine. Now this vitamin C range from Garnier has vitamin C in it, which is amazing. It works on your dullness and all your dark spots, and I absolutely love this range. So this is the vitamin C face wash, this is the vitamin C serum. They also have a vitamin C serum gel, they also have a cream and micellar water. So I usually like my skincare to be lightweight, and I don't like it to be very heavy on the skin. So this range serves the purpose because it is lightweight and it gets quickly absorbed into the skin and it's non-sticky. I'm going to start my routine first of all with washing my face with the vitamin C face wash. So let's go. It is known to remove all the impurities and dullness from your face. It also has vitamin C and is infused with yuzu lemon. So the ingredients are known for its antioxidant and brightening properties. After using this face wash, my skin feels extremely hydrated and fresh. I just love the milky white texture that it has and it is so smooth on the skin. For best results, I like to use it twice a day and it has this citrusy smell which I absolutely love.